How to make money with HB Naturals. HB Naturals is a health and wellness company that sells a range of natural products, including supplements, essential oils, and personal care items. If you are interested in making money with HB Naturals, here are a few steps you can take. Become a member. The first step to making money with HB Naturals is to become a member. You can sign up on their website and choose a membership package that fits your needs. Purchase products. Once you become a member, you can purchase products at a discounted price and sell them to others for a profit. Build a team. One way to increase your earnings with HB Naturals is to build a team of other members who can sell products under your sponsorship. You can earn commissions on their sales as well as your own. Host events. You can host events to showcase the products and invite others to join your team. This can be done online or in person. Promote on social media. You can use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to promote the products and your business. You can share testimonials, before and after photos, and other content to attract potential customers and team members. Attend training sessions. HB Naturals offers training sessions to help you learn how to sell products and build your business. Attend these sessions to learn best practices and strategies from experienced members. It's important to note that like any business opportunity, success with HB Naturals requires hard work, dedication, and persistence. It may take some time to build a strong customer base and team, but with effort and commitment, you can increase your earning potential.